Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Actually, no, it's not the morning, it's the evening. Good evening and welcome to a new truck vlog. I hope you're well, I hope you're safe, and I hope you like my vlog. Busy night tonight. Turn the camera around because with the rain on the windscreen it's just blurring out all the picture. Miserable night. What a miserable night. I've not had one of these in a while. Come on, buddy. 65. Looks like I'm gonna get wet.
Man, I went from a bag to a bag to a bag. I remember me and mama used to ride the cab. Pull up out the lot, no more lease, we paying cash. Show up to a crib, hand the keys to a Jag. That's that light work, flexing so much it hurt. Used to rock hand-me-downs, now Versace down my shirt. I remember them days we couldn't wait for the first. Finally made me a meal, now we eating off the verse. Yeah, but I remember being hungry. Sardines, ramen noodles, and macaroni. Had that wick cheese sandwich with fried bologna. Don't want no pity, this part of my testimony. Yeah, I probably could've hit a lick with all my homies. Instead I played it cool and sat at home all by my lonely. You can go be stupid, I'll be fine with being phony. Cause I seen how that worked out for City, Byron, and Joey. Now my brother's serving life in a day. Putting money on his books, gotta pray. Both families still grieving for a loss. Man, this is not a game you wanna play. Cause I went from a bag to a bag to a bag. I remember me and mama used to ride the cab. Pull up out the lot, no more lease, we paying cash. Show up to a crib, hand the keys to a Jag. That's that light work, flexing so much it hurt. Used to rock hand-me-downs, now Versace down my shirt. I remember them days we couldn't wait for the first. Finally made me a meal, now we eating off the verse. Yeah. Tell me what's worse, being hungry or stealing that woman purse. Both of my parents, they suffer the family curse. Now as a father, that got me on high alert. That's how it works, that's how it works. By 21, I should be 6 feet in the dirt, or in a cell, or in a hearse. I'm thanking God that with me it got reversed. To fitting in, I'm too adverse. The game dying, so I treat it like a nurse. It's hard work, I put God first. Not speaking truth is the way I reimburse. Cause I went from a bag to a bag to a bag. I remember me and mama used to ride the cab. Pull up out the lot, no more lease, we paying cash. Show up to a crib, hand the keys to a Jag. That's that light work, flexing so much it hurt. Used to rock him and down.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting apart.
I'm going to get my head down for a little while, yeah, because I'm exhausted. Probably get an hour, maybe an hour and a half, so I'll see you guys soon. I tried to sleep, not happening, so I'll sleep when I get in. So guys, that's his call back in, and you can see that guy there on the little truck. What he does, he comes and gives you a knock when it's time to go in. So I'm tired, not slept. No.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say.
Can you believe this little fella? He's actually just come up to me. It's the same little guy as before, isn't it, mate? There you go.
trust you when you say
You believe this little guy?
lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
Can you believe this little guy?
I've got nothing else, mate. I've got nothing else. What's up? I've got nothing else, mate. Go and take it to you, babies.
It's made my night. I was hoping I'd see the little fella. No way. That has absolutely made my night. Well, I'm not eating that now. No way. Little fella's just come right up to me. Oh, what a night. What a night. I'm exhausted. But I'm so chuffed that I managed to get the footage of the fox. Honestly, it absolutely made my night. And there's just one person left for you guys to see. Or one person. This is this boy. Hello. Hello. You've been a good boy. Have you? Oh no. He's a good boy. I mean, every morning when I'm on nights, what we do, he takes himself for a little wee across the road, don't you? Eh? Don't you? You miss me. Right, you ready? Come go wee wee. And he trots across. I think he's just woken up. Here he comes. Here he comes. Good boy. Guys, thank you for watching. I'm exhausted. I'm going to bed. I'll see you guys soon.